What's up, my people? It's your boy Mr. Getting It Done. Welcome back to the channel. We about to go in on another video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And on this channel we talk about all things credit, real estate, and finance to help you help your family level up. So here we go, my people. So we're going to talk about, I've been getting a lot of comments on a lot of my videos regarding business credit. I made a video on breaking down how to structure your business, regarding business credit before you dive in, because you want to make sure that you have your business structured properly before you apply for business credit. So go check that out, or I'll add that in the link below so you can click on that and watch that. But this video is kind of more like a generalized video on the benefits of business credit, establishing business credit, building business credit, leveraging business credit, etc. Okay, so business credit, I can't speak enough about business credit, my people. Okay, business credit is powerful, okay, to say the least. Business credit has changed my life, period. Okay, so and a lot of people don't understand that or know that it exists. They don't understand how it works. It's a little bit different than your personal credit, but they don't think that these things are available, that there's resources out there for you to tap into. And I'm here to tell you that there is, man. There are hundreds, if not there's hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars available at your discretion when you use business credit, depending on how many businesses you got. Okay, so let's talk about some benefits. Let's make this video short and sweet. Y'all know I got my board here. Let's see, man. Can y'all see that? I apologize. Hopefully y'all can see that right there. Alright, that looks good. Alright, hopefully you guys can see this and it's clear. Okay, and I'll know when I go to review this video. So business credit, my beautiful people, right? So number one, business credit does not report to your personal credit. And what that simply means is that account is not going to show up on your personal credit profile. So for an example, if you go out and you get a Bank of America credit card on the business side on behalf of your business, that Bank of America credit card account will not show up on your personal credit profile. It is your business credit card, and it's going to show up and report on your business credit report, which generates your paydex score. We're going to talk about that when we get towards the bottom here. So that's the number one benefit. Okay, it does not report to your personal credit, so it does not affect your DTI, your debt to income ratio. It does not affect your utilization, right? None of that. And then that's a segue into number two. So utilization does not report on your personal credit report either. Okay, so what that means is if you get your Bank of America credit card and you got $10,000 and you go ahead and you max that out because you're about to go run a play, or you're about to go invest or buy a property or whatever, that card, when you max it out, that maxed out limit is not going to report to your credit profile. Okay, that's the beautiful thing about business credit. That's why a lot of people, business credit cards are the easiest form of funding. So you can literally start a business today and go out and get business credit tomorrow, leveraging your personal credit as long as you got a 680 or better. And then you can go ahead and get these credit cards 0% interest and run up a bag, right? Go liquidate them, go take that money to go invest, go run a play to make you more money. Okay, so utilization does not report to your personal credit, and that is huge. Okay, now on the business side, because you're a business, you're gonna go ahead and get approved for higher credit card amounts, right? Higher credit card limits, right? 2 to 3 times more to be conservative. So you're gonna go ahead and get, when you go to apply for that Bank of America, the Bank of America is gonna look at your personal credit profile, and they're gonna look at what your highest credit card limit is, and then they're gonna give you something comparable to that, or 2, 3, 4, 5x that, right? Depending on how your credit profile is structured. Okay, so not only do you get higher limits when you go ahead and you apply for business credit, but that utilization does not report to your personal credit profile. And I want to drive that home because that is extremely important. I feel like people get scared or get discouraged because they assume that business credit card is going to report to their personal credit, and their personal credit is going to take a hit. It does not report, my beautiful people. Okay, and then when you get a business credit card either from BOA or Chase or whoever you're doing business with, you know, you have the opportunity to build your business credit. Okay, so these business credit cards are going to report to your business credit bureaus, right? We have Experian, we have Equifax, and we have Dun & Bradstreet. We also have Credit Safe, right? We have a couple of bureaus out there on the credit side, on the business side, that this information is going to report to, so that it can build your business credit score, which is considered a paydex score. Okay, it's not like our personal credit score, right? Your credit score for your business is called a paydex score. So now when you go out and you get that Bank of America credit card, now you're building your business credit, right? Because they're going to report out to those bureaus that I just mentioned, right? You're going to build your corporate credit, right? You're going to build up your business credit. You're going to build up your corporate credit so that you can go out and you can apply for credit with your EIN only, right? No more using your social, no more personal guaranteeing. Once you put your business credit in a position, you can go out and apply with your EIN only, and your EIN is your employer identification number, and that is basically the social security number for your business, right? And then and you know, moving forward, any future credit that you apply for moving forward, you can just use your EIN. Excuse me. So there it is, my beautiful people. Those are the benefits of establishing business credit and getting into business credit, right? I would encourage everybody to do your research, man. Understand how business credit works. Understand how business credit can be leveraged. Understand how you can take advantage of business credit, right? When you start your LLC. Like, let me just paint this little picture, and then I'm going to end this, right? So let's say, for example, you are passionate about let's say you're passionate about credit, okay, and you're like, I want to become a credit specialist. You already have the knowledge, okay, you already have the credit specialist knowledge, but you're like, yo, I want to get an office space, I want to get a desk, I want to get a computer, I want to get this, I want to get that, right? You want to separate yourself from your home, you want to go into an office, you want to be professional, you want to take walk-ins, okay? So let's say you're still working your 9 to 5, right? How long would it take you? Let's just say, for simple numbers, let's say $10,000. It's going to cost you $10,000 to go get that office space, you know, to get your lease, first, last, security, to get your equipment, to get it painted, to do whatever the case is. It's going to cost you $10,000 to go ahead and get yourself that office that you need for your business that you want to start. How long is it going to take you working your 9 to 5, your W-2? How long would it take you to save $10,000? Okay, so write that down. How long would it take you to save $10,000? Okay, versus putting your personal credit in position, okay, starting your LLC, and then leveraging your personal credit to go get business credit, and you can get $10,000 right out the gate. $10,000 right out the gate, right? You can get a $10,000 credit card right out the gate if your credit profile is sexy and it's in position, right? So now you done saved that 6, 7, 8, 9 months, however long it was going to take you to save that $10,000 liquid. It just took you 15 minutes to go ahead and apply for a business credit card, and you got approved for $10,000 just like that. So now you're going to take that $10,000, you're going to liquidate that, you're going to turn credit to cash, right? And I teach that in my mentorship. You turn credit to cash, and then now you have the cash to go ahead and run that play, right? So that's the power in business credit. That's the power in leveraging business credit to go ahead and start your business. We no longer need to save money like we were back in the day, you know, 100 here, 1,000 here, you know, we no longer have to do that. That is gone. Okay, all we gotta do is ensure that our personal credit profile is in position, looking sexy. We're gonna go out and get that business credit, those business credit cards. We're gonna go ahead and liquidate them, and we're gonna go run the bag up. It's really that. It sounds simple, but it's really that easy, right? It is not hard. So my beautiful people, those of you that have been asking about business credit, I hope that helped you. If you know anybody that's interested in business credit, if you know anybody that's looking to get into business credit and needs this information, please consider sharing this video with them, so that way they can see it, understand it. And if you have any questions that I can answer for you, that I can help you get to the next level, comment in the section below, and I'll make a video addressing that, or I'll answer it in the comments. So I hope everybody's well. I hope everybody's healthy. Out here in Florida, it is hot, okay? But I'm out here getting my melanin fix. I'm out here in nature. breathing in that good ass prana. And you know, I hope everyone's well. I hope everyone's healthy. I hope everyone's beautiful. Hope everybody's smashing their goals. Remember, abundance is your birthright. Jesus. And I'll catch you in the next one, my people. Peace.